She's back.
Well, no fucking shit.
She's back. She's back.
I agree with you fucking cares, nigga. You hear me?
Bro, peep this. Body shop put the SRT bumper back on it, and I ain't gonna hold y'all. I am not switching this diffuser, bruh. I switched the other one. It broke within a day, and I'm keeping that diffuser on there. I don't even care. Guess what, though? Left pocket dog shit.
Wow.
Hold up. Oh, where's it at? Left pocket dog shit. And right there's it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But I also got something else in my left pocket. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. We about to install the taser on the charger. Y'all know we just got back. But I've actually already got a couple. Not a couple, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I got everything for the charger in the crib right now. The whole bill is about to come together in like 2 weeks. Tops. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, peep this too, y'all. We got the 8.4. It's got a little scratch, but like, I don't even care. We got the 8.4, and I got the center console. I got a civilian center console in the crib for it. So that's fire. And I also, I don't know if y'all remember, but I got this little thing off my dash. Look, you can see like, you can see where it left the imprint and everything. I have to clean it, scrub it. Or I might swap the dash. I don't know. Oh yeah, I got me a little baggie on there, but yada yada yada. 8.4 is installed. Star's still in the roof. I guess we better put the taser in. Don't really know what I'm doing, but hey, it can't be too hard. I will say though, on my way to work this morning, my trunk came open like 5 times. Cruising down the road. I don't know why. I have no clue, but the trunk was not trying to stay closed, bro. That is all. God, they butchered my plate from where I got hit, bro. It's all crumbled. I'm gonna get a custom one, though. Comment, like, some custom nameplates, y'all. Maybe I can get me a fire one, but I cannot see nothing. This sun is dumb bright. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We getting it done. I'm low-key watching a YouTube video because like, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I just want the SRT pages for real. Like, I'm hype. Oh, it's Mary. Bad. Let's go. We got it rebooting. I don't know why it gave me a check engine light, but we're a tire. Whoa. What we doing? Whoa. What we doing? Okay. Alright. Let's see what we rocking with. Bro, I went to 1320. Is that the 1320? I don't know, but peep. It changed that, changed this, that, service airbag, yada yada yada. Airbags on because we put. Hold on. You gonna get an airbag light if you put the SRT stuff. You see it. Oh my, bro, I'm so hyped right now. Like, I don't even care, bro. Clown me in the comments. I am beyond hype. Come on. Except, all right, hold up. I need those pages. Drive modes. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. What the fuck does that mean? Support setup. What the fuck? Alright, I don't give a fuck. Alright, go back. Default. Track. Ooh, this is tough. It's tough. Anyways, look. Your speedometer change, it gonna look different. Info. Let's see, did it give me? Yeah, look, that changed. Let me zoom in. intake, air tank, engine torque, engine power. All right, let's go to the next one. See what else. Oh, okay, that's tough. Reaction time 0 to 100 quarter. Bro, braking distance, G-forces, lap timer, lap history, top speed. Oh my. Oh, fuel economy, fuck that. Ain't nobody care about all that. I don't care about that. Man, I don't need no speed, woman. Checking system for diagnostic codes. Let's see. Let's see. Oh shit, my bad. No or into dot. Alright, bet. Appreciate. Yeah, nah. Look, hold on. I just peeped that. It's in track. Works. I don't even know what all that is. I'm new to this. Alright. This is insane though. I love the display. I love everything about it. This is tough. Bruh, peep this. Click performance. Bruh. Look, I read the car. It reads horsepower and torque like as you're hitting it. And then like look. You got your G-force, your gauges, timers. Yeah, timers. I don't care. X. Drive modes, like, ooh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. This is tough. This is tough. Look what I just found. Hold up. This could be a game changer. So yeah, taser's installed. I'm liking it. Not gonna lie. We gonna definitely have to test out that forced rear wheel drive. We gonna have to test that out. I'm not gonna lie. We got to lay some heaters, but that's the video, y'all. We got the whip back. All right, just wait. I got a hood, a wicker bill, front bumper, coilovers. I got a lot of stuff for it. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. I'll catch y'all on the next one though. Later.